Well, we heard from a witness, a computer expert, Professor Grothoff, who testified about the timeline that led to the release of the unredacted diplomatic cables in September 2011. It's very important to establish that because how that came about, because at the core of the entire argument here is that WikiLeaks behaved irresponsibly and that the unredacted cable contained names of people that could be harmed, etc. So establishing what really happened before September 2011 is important. And Professor Grothoff was investigated the timeline, what led to that, and came to the conclusion that actually the individuals responsible for that happening were the Guardian journalists Luke Harding and David Leigh, who published a passphrase to a very strongly encrypted document with the cables. That happened in February 2011, 6 months before WikiLeaks published. It was known, this irresponsible behavior by the Guardian journalists, which is inexcusable. And actually, even if people read this book, it tells the story of how Julian was so reluctant to give them the password and the documents that he even gave the Guardian journalist only part of the password, but whispered the part that was missing in his ear, because so it was never written down. And then go and actually publish it in a book is totally irresponsible. And that led to a chain of events that at the end of August it was known that the information was out there, the cat was out of the bag. And actually, WikiLeaks was not the first entity to publish these documents.